Hi, I'm John with Fan Diego, the ceiling fan store, and I want to spend a couple minutes talking about one of our frequently asked questions, probably the most frequently asked question when it comes to replacing parts or repairing ceiling fans. And that is a question of receiving units, the part that works with remote controls. There are a couple different kinds. The one I have in my hand now is what we call a donut receiving unit. This goes into the bottom cap, which is this part here. This is the bottom of your fan, so this slides in here and connects to the top. These are generally going to be brand specific. If you have your fan that your remote control dims your light, controls your speeds, and reverses your fan, you might have something like this. So if you need to replace it, you want to check the bottom of the fan, you could have a bottom cap like this. Another type of receiver, kind of a horseshoe style receiver here. This is used quite often in Emerson type fans. This type of receiving unit fits up into the canopy. Now this is a canopy, you've got a standard down rod hanging down, so this is the part that mounts to your ceiling, and your horseshoe canopy fits up in here. So if you have an Emerson fan, chances are you're going to have one of these kinds of receivers in it. A third type of receiving unit is kind of a standard receiving unit like this. They can be black, they can be green. This is more a universal type receiving unit. This type of receiver also fits up in the canopy here. You really can't use these on sloped ceilings oftentimes though, because they'll break. The receiving unit will break. So if you have issues with the receiver, one of the first things you need to do is find out what kind you have. Also very important to find out the brand. If you can find out the brand, then oftentimes we can help you find a replacement or get something that's going to be comparable for you that will work with your fan. If you have any more questions or if we can be of any help with any receiving unit issues, you can check us out online at fandiego.com or visit one of our 4 showrooms in Southern California.